Hello 10th standard. For our social studies, we are working with history lesson number 1, that is heritage of India, right? We already worked with one video related to that, that is very first page of your first lesson in your textbook. So today we will start with one topic, we will finish with only one topic, that is natural heritage of India. Now talking about natural heritage of India, we already discussed yesterday, there will be 4, right? That is landscape, rivers, vegetation and wildlife. Okay. Now landscape, rivers, vegetables. Okay. Now that is water area will come in rivers. Talking about landscape, dharti, whether you are talking about hills, mountains or plains or whatever, all will come in landscape. Okay. Talking about vegetation, vegetation will include with all types, like you talk about forest areas or agricultural products, crops, greenery, trees, bushes, herbs, shrubs, plants, everything will come in vegetation. And the next one is wildlife. So wildlife will include all animals, right? All animals will be included in that. Let us read it. Natural heritage of India. The result of close relationship between nature, environment and human life is natural heritage. Natural heritage of India is unique and varied. It includes features like mountains, forests, deserts, rivers, streams, seas, trees, plants, creepers, flowers, leaves, insects and varied landscape, wide range of minerals, vegetations, plants and animals. See, landscape will include all this. Understood? Vegetation है, वाइल्ड है, वो भी लैंडस्केप में इंक्लूड होगा क्योंकि वो सब भी तो लैंड पर ही है, राइट? सो इट विल बी इंक्लूडेड. देन वी आर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ नेचर, so it has made a beautiful arrangement for our food, water, fresh air and dwelling to cater our all needs. We treat nature with respect and faith. The example of our close relation with nature are stories of Panchtantra and Jataka tales. Of Buddhist religion, our classical and folk music and several ranges are based on prahars. Similarly, Ayurveda, Unani. What is Unani? That is medicinal treatment only, but it was done at time of Mughals. And nature cure are also totally based on nature. See, नेचर पर बहुत कुछ इन्वॉल्व है, राइट? टॉकिंग अबाउट नेचुरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया, नेचर में बहुत कुछ इन्वॉल्व है, लैंडस्केप, रिवर्स और वेजिटेशन और वाइल्ड लाइफ, एवरीथिंग कम्स इन नेचर, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन टेल कुदरत की बातें काफ़ी स्टोरीज में, हिस्ट्रीज में भी देखी गई हैं, पंचतंत्र टेल्स या जटाकास, या so many environment related stories we have, which gives us still more idea about beautiful and wonderful nature, right? Then landscape. Beautiful landscape are generally formed due to different shapes of land. For example, the Himalaya is a landscape. It has endowed Indian abundantly with useful vegetation and minerals. सी, लैंडस्केप में बहुत सारा वेजिटेशन, बहुत सारे मिनरल्स पाए जाते हैं. एज आई टोल्ड, वेजिटेशन, वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑब्वियसली लैंडस्केप में ही इंक्लूडेड है क्योंकि ये धरती पर ही रहते हैं. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट सो मैनी वेजिटेशन, सो मैनी मिनरल्स ऑल्सो फ्रॉम दैट. ओके. देन strange birds, animals and mountain peaks covered with snow. Brimming rivers are the gift of Himalaya. Okay, that is बहुत rivers, गंगा, यमुना, ये सारे जो लॉन्ग लॉन्ग रिवर्स हैं हिमालय से ही एग्जिस्ट होते हैं, राइट? एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यमुना कम्स फ्रॉम गंगा इटसेल्फ. ओके. नाउ Forest Forest of Terai and its pilgrimages places like Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath, summit of Nanda Devi are in Himalayas. Since ancient time, Himalayas are the greatest important for India. So India के लिए हिमालय शुरू से ही बहुत important रहा है. That is one. कई अलग अलग तरह के फॉरेस्ट देखने को मिलते हैं, माउंटेनियस रेंजेस देखने को मिलते हैं, देन कई अलग अलग तरह के रिवर्स हैं माउंटेन्स में से एग्जिस्ट होते. सो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन लैंडस्केप. नेक्स्ट वन, रिवर्स. Rivers have been providing natural way since ancient times. Indian culture has flourished on the rivers bank of the Indus and the Ravi. The rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Saraswati, etc., the Indus, the Narmada, the Godavari, the Krishna, etc., have profoundly influenced the people of India. Rivers are the source of drinking water, domestic use, irrigation, electricity, and waterways. Besides this, man was dependent on river to develop industries of clay utensils, plastering, buildings of houses, etc. That is, daily use के लिए भी rivers use होते हैं. Not only that, obviously industries production के लिए भी water use होगा. तो there are many industries which used to set up near rivers. Understood? River के पास ही set up होती है कई industries, right? So rivers are very much useful, as we all know how essential water is in our life, right? Besides, okay, rivers water has made human life beautiful and prosperous. Landscape scenes at dawn and dusk are very fascinating on the side of river. These are source of inspiration for artists and have enriched the lives of people by developing aesthetic sense, aesthetic that is concerned for beauty and art. You know, painters को कई अलग अलग तरह के images मिल जाते हैं नेचर में से, ओके, रिवर्स में से, क्योंकि रिवर्स के साइड पे ग्रीनरी ज़्यादा देखने को मिलेगी, ह्यूमन बीइंग लाइफ ज़्यादा देखने को मिलेगी. So one can go with so many beautiful paintings and arts with this environment, nature, right? Third is vegetation. People of India are environment lovers since ancient time. Its proof is their love and affection towards flowers and shrubs and plants. Humans, animals, birds, etc. are dependent on trees for their food. We all are dependent on trees, right? And there are people, those who even pray in front of trees, like जो trees को पूजते हैं, पूजा करते हैं trees की. Banyan and peepal tree and basils are worshipped in India. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds, plants, green field, prosperous herbs, pet forest, and medicinal plants have ultra enriched our life from ancient time. Harde, amla, behanda, aloe vera, ardosi, neem, etc. Medicines and flowers like rose, lotus, mogra, jasmine, damaro, sweet basil, sunflower, champa, joy, jasminum, etc. have made human life very beautiful, fragrant, healthy and prosperous. Thus, social and religious life of India is greatly influenced by vegetation. So अलग अलग प्लांट्स की पूजा करना, एंड देन कई तरह के फ्लावर्स हमें वहाँ से वेजिटेशन से मिलते हैं, कई तरह की क्रॉप्स हम ग्रो करते हैं, कई तरह के सीरियल्स एंड पल्सेस हमें मिलते हैं. सो ऑल दिस वेजिटेशन इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. Fourth one is wildlife. India is a nature lover since ancient time. It is country with animal lover culture. Lion, tiger, elephant, rhino, foxes, bear, deer, sambar, rabbit, python, snake, mongoose, lizard, porcupine, like many such organisms are found and seen. Asian lions and the world are found only in Gir forest of Gujarat. Our religious belief has given a status of god and goddesses vehicle to some of the wild animals: tiger, peacock, alligator, eagles, etc. Our national currency is highly valued by having figures of 4 lion, horse and bull. Furthermore, to protect our wildlife, reserves are created and even laws for the protection of their wildlife have been enacted. See, जिस तरह से वेजिटेशन में कई प्लांट्स को, कई ट्रीज को वर्शिप किया जाता है, उसी तरह से देर आर मैनी एनिमल्स विच आर वर्शिप्ड और विच आर taken up as for god and goddesses, right? Like we can tell कुछ अच्छा सा स्टेटस ही दिया है उनको, ओके, लाइक वाहन ऑफ गणेश जी, देन वी कैन टेल टाइगर और पीकॉक और एलिगेटर, ईगल्स, काफ़ी ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं, आइदर बर्ड और एनिमल्स that are included in that are really connected with gods and goddesses. Understood? Furthermore, हमारे इंडियन करेंसी में भी 4 लायंस, दैट इज नेशनल एम्बलम में भी हमें 4 लायंस फेस देखने को मिलते हैं, राइट? एंड देन कई वाइल्ड लाइफ स्पीसीज को बचाने के लिए रिजर्व्स ओपन किए गए हैं, दैट इज वी कैन टेल नेशनल पार्क्स और सेंचुरीज और बायो रिजर्व जोन्स. सो कई चीज़ें हैं जो ओपन की गई हैं सो दैट वाइल्ड लाइफ को प्रोटेक्टेडली रख सकें. अंडरस्टूड? सो इन शॉर्ट, इफ आई टेल समवेयर, नॉट समवेयर, मोस्टली नेचुरल हेरिटेज ऑफ इंडिया इज़ वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि ये 4 जो टॉपिक हैं इनके बिना हमारी लाइफ अधूरी है. इफ वी कैन से दैट, राइट? आवर लाइफ will be shortened if we will not have these things with us: landscape, rivers or vegetation and wildlife. Somewhere we all are connected. Either you talk about animals, you talk about human beings, we all are connected with all these 4 things very closely, right? So I'll stop here. Just go through with both these videos of history. First video with first page and second video with second page. Okay? Next topic is cultural heritage of India, that we will discuss in our next video. Bye bye.